Hello everyone. Myself Hardik Chaudhary. I am student at Lovely Professional University. Today's our topic is Pythonic queues, a jump start into efficient data structures. So, welcome to the Pythonic queues. Get ready to dive into the world of efficient data structures and learn how Pythonic queues can revolutionize your coding experience. Let's embark on this creative journey together. Understanding queues. What are queues? Queues are dynamic data structures that follow the first in, first out (FIFO) principle. They are the perfect for managing data in sequential manner, making them efficient programming. Pythonic implementation. Describing the elegance of implementing queues in Python, leveraging the simplicity and powers of the language to create the streamlined data structures, unleash the full potential of Python queues. Boosting efficiency. Explore how Python queues can significantly enhance the efficiency of our coding, enabling faster data processing, the optimized resource utilizing. It's time to evaluate our programming game. Advanced applications. Dive into the variety of Pythonic queues and their wide range of applications, from real-time data processing to the schedule, uncovering the endless possibilities of leveraging the Pythonic queues. Embarking Pythonic queues. On embarking on the exciting journey into the world of Pythonic queues, embark the power of efficiency data structures and elevate our programming powers with Pythonic queues. Let's take a real example. Let's take an example of job queues. Let's I write whole code, then I will explain it. From queue, import queue, import threading, import time. Now class job queue, def in it self self dot queue equal to queue. Now def and queue self comma job self dot queue dot put job. def dq self if not self dot q dot empty return self dot q dot get next return none deft process q self while true so equal to self dot dq if so it's not none print processing job has executed execute the job in this example just sleeping uh, demonstration time dot sleep one time next else print no jobs in the queue time dot sleep one hashtag example if name equal to name job q equal to So next. Kim. So I means five. So Kim got in Kim. So and to ending trap before so Kim process Kim processing trend of to fill notice hashtag Kim some jobs and Kim is equal to trending dot trend target and Kim jobs trend dot start and and dot on wait on processing processing trend. So now it's completed. Let's run the code. First save this code. We have got some errors. Line 29. What is that? Now save it. At line 30. Now let's. This is the execution of the this code. Let's now. I will explain the code. Here the queue class is used to implement a thread safe first in first out, and importing thread is while providing a high level efficiency interface for working in thread, and this import time is for which provide the various time related function, and this is for adding a new class, and these are the it's initialize a new instant of class with the empty queue. This is for making a empty queue, and this is for add a new job means adding a new job in the list, and this is for remove and returns a job, checking the job is empty or not, retiring and remove, and this return note is for checking it is empty or not, and process def process queue self while true. This code is for processing job from the queue. It is run in an infinite loop while true. It is an infinite true, and then the dequeue jobs is used for dequeue method, and if the jobs are dequeued successfully, that is none. It's print the processing jobs, and simultaneously job execute by sleeping for 1 second. If the queue is empty, it's print a message indicating that there are no jobs in the queue and sleeps for the seconds. Now let's take a example. It's begin the sprint run as main program. This main program and instantaneous creates. Here we call a function enhance job into queues. This processing thread jobs are for this code creates a new thread. Processing thread creates a new thread that executes the process thread that's execute the process thread method of the job queue instance. The diamond attribute true is set to be true to make the thread, which means it is terminate automatically when the main program exit finally true. Finally, the start method is called for the thread execution, and this code creates the another thread enqueue thread that executes the enqueue jobs function. The start method is called to the start the thread's execution. This method is to enhance that all jobs have been enqueued before moving on, and at last this code is for to finish the execution for continuously, and job processing is completed before the main program execute.